Hi guys, it's T from Betty and Brenda, and I know it's been a long time since I've actually done an actual intro to my videos with me speaking, but I decided to switch it up a little bit. So this video is for a body milk, and like the title suggests, it is a lightweight milky product. It's lighter than lotions and most definitely lighter than creams. It's perfect for the summertime, but can be used year-round if you just don't like the heaviness and thickness of lotions and or body creams. Now you can use this all over your body, including your face, but if you have sensitive skin like me, or just in general maybe, I would take the fragrance out and maybe use a light, a small light essential oil like a lavender, or just take the fragrance out altogether. And if you like this video, if you want to try this product out, I will actually have these available on my website at bettyandbrenda.com on July 4th. So in between eating barbecue, just go on out there and order you one. So I am actually about to use my turmeric face wash that I've just made. And if you're interested in knowing how I made this, leave a comment below and I can put a video up for this and wash my face and get going on my Saturday. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a wonderful weekend. Bye.